Hey, I picked up this handheld ratcheting PEX crimp tool. So I picked this up because I had a longer crimper and I couldn't get into some tough angles. The handles were too long. So this works great if you're in a tight spot or you just want to use it with your hand. So we'll take a closer look at this thing. It seems very well built, and here's your crimper right here. You're gonna squeeze down the handle, and what's really cool about this, there's a light on this that tells you when you are done crimping. So when it fully crimps and you're as tight as the crimper will go, this blue light shines up, so it gives you some more peace of mind when you're making that connection. Now to open this back up, there's a little release. Now you can crimp again. I don't have any PEX on me right now, but I'll demonstrate with this clamp here. This is for 1/2 inch up to 1 inch pipe. This is a 3/4 inch. All right, so we grabbed it here. Obviously, like I said, there's no pipe. We got it fully closed up here at the top, fully crimped, and you get your blue indicator light. Overall, I think this is a handy little tool to crimp PEX. It's really great for tight spots. If a standard handheld one is too long, I think it works nice. It helped me today with some work I was doing at a house.